Hi, I am Rebecca Barton. So just a little bit about me. I grew up in Oklahoma, stayed there up until college, moved here for college and attended Friends University, graduated from Friends, and then started teaching in Hayesville, Kansas, which is just a little bit south of Wichita, Kansas. I taught kindergarten for 5 years, and then just this year went ahead and moved to fourth grade, which was kind of a big jump. I have been married for 5 years. We have two kids together. We have Paige, who will be 4 in March, and we also have Henry, who will be a year next month. Um, why am I seeking this degree? It's kind of been a part of my plan. I always wanted to be a teacher. I always wanted to teach kindergarten, which is funny that now I'm teaching fourth grade. And it was always my plan to further my career and not stay in teaching, but to either be an assistant principal or a principal. And I'm still trying to figure out if I want to go further than that and eventually someday maybe try to be a superintendent. Um, how does my background support my degree selection? I've always been a leader. I've always had the leader quality growing up. I was the oldest of three girls, and so I kind of played the leadership role there. And then I taught dance classes growing up. I was in charge of dance and teaching kids, and then I went to college and I was a first year mentor for the freshmen, and I helped with stuff like that. And so it's just I feel like just me is wanting to be a leader and learning more about that, and that's partly why I wanted to further my education and to be a principal someday. Strengths and weaknesses when it comes to school finance. Truly, I'm not very strong in what's required of finances and how it all looks when you're a principal. I am attending Leadership Academy in Hayesville, and through that Leadership Academy, we have been talking a little bit about finance and like what our role as a principal would be and kind of what budget and finances look like. But that's not our whole focus for Leadership Academy, and so I haven't learned too much. Um, so I'm definitely not very strong in the area of school finance, but I am excited to learn more about it because that's kind of the part that scares me the most about being an administrator is the budget and the finances and how that all works together. So I'm excited to be in this class and get a better understanding of what it's going to take to, be on top of the finances as an administrator.